Hey, Kaboomers! Wasn't that a lot of fun? What do you think about our video? Do you have some ideas of your own? Then definitely share them in the comments below. We love to read all your amazing stories. If you liked our video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Kaboom for more amazing stories like these. Meanwhile, enjoy our brilliant selection of bloopers. We like to think of them as our cherry on top. Stay tuned and see you soon. Stop! Candy scan! Okay, you're good. Haley's not so innocent. I'm watching you. Sure. That sponge looks sus. It's just my makeup. See? Good. The contents are mostly chocolate, though. Where is it? Huh? Calm down, girl. I can't find it. Old gum. Good enough. No! Stop! That's like poisonous and stuff. Sheesh. I got just the thing. Here. Lip balm? Made of fondant. Thanks! Cheers! Cheers! What is going on? Just two girls eating lipstick. My favorite chips! What did I tell you? No sweets? This also needs to go. Aww. Don't mind me and my chocolate balls. What are you doing? It's a new trend. Edible makeup. See? Oh, really? I didn't think about that. I should try it. You really shouldn't. I wonder what my makeup tastes like. There you are. This is not gonna end well. Oh gosh! Disgusting! Quick! Quick! Chips! Oh, she's not looking? Great! Time for my little snack. Oh! Hey, can I have some? Sure! Nah, tricked ya. Oh, you! Give me that! It's mine!
May I buzz in? Thank you, thank you. Bye!
Hey! Watch it! Give it back!
Never gonna get it! Never gonna get it!
Nobody saw that one. Hmm? Give it back, you stupid bug! Come here! I'll pretend I didn't see that. Mmm, delicious. Got nothing. And what is this? Face cream. It's great for wrinkles. Is it? I'll use some of it then. Sure. Never heard of whipped face cream, but okay. Yeah, looks great! Oh dear, oh dear. Hi! The teacher thinks her cream worked. You do look younger. Back to your teenage years. Ah, this is horrible! Oh no! Now you can eat in peace. Right. Ready, girls? Stop right there! Okay, good to go. Stop! And you?
Just me and my shadow palette.
Alright, go in!
Ah! That isn't eyeshadow! That's candy! Oops! Naughty girl! To the class!
Sorry. Unbelievable!
You didn't get it? No, I'm so angry! I brought mine! Oh, great!
Enjoy your colorful snacks, girls!
That was a great idea! Oh! Gotcha! Hello, miss!
Candy scan!
Oh, but you have something on your face! Let me clean that off.
Oh, dear! Here?
I'll help you!
Sweet girl!
There!
Thank you! Gosh, that was close! Hey, girl! I don't need that. Oh, you do? Are you insulting my hygiene?
Check this out!
What a stash! Genius! For me? Wow! Ooh! You turned the whole day around, Olivia. The teacher is very strict today. All right, you can go. I got an idea.
Who said only girls wear makeup?
Hi. Wow! David, is that really you? You look great. Thank you. I think classes are starting? Not unless you show me that hair! What a color! I'm sure you say that to all the girls. Please, go in! Wow, what a babe!
Huh?
Ladies?
That's different.
Ah, here it is!
How did you do that?
I'm born with it!
Come here, Granny!
Stop!
Come here! I heard the teacher is checking the bags, little child.
Oh, I'm not a child, but thank you. Come on in. Such a nice person.
Hi there! Hi!
There you go, darling. Enjoy!
Thanks, Granny! What's in there? Lip gloss. But it's sweet icing instead. Can I? There you go! Yes!
Grandmas know best. Stop! What's this?
Silly Olivia!
Teacher is mean! And score! Ha ha! What am I going to do?
I have an idea! I got these super icy mints! Put them on your lips! Ready?
Let's go! We're back! So what?
That!
Whoops! Help?
This way! Right this way!
Yes, classes are just special today. Oh no! We're never gonna get in!
I know! Come here! Let's upgrade this brush. Sounds great! I don't need this. Okay, now this goes here. This goes here. Ooh, not bad.
Looks like a Play-Doh hedgehog.
I can't see a difference. Let's go. Miss, I have nothing on me.
Turn around! Alright, good to go. The girls are pretending to brush their hair. What is this?
A brush?
Her hair is a bit messy. Excuse me. I think you got a free pass.
Chocolate.
Look at this, sir.
I got more where those came from.
Oh boy. It looks like these two guards are about to have the feast of their lives. Look at all those snacks. Chips and candies and chocolate. That's enough for the whole month. A clever girl always comes prepared.
Hello, miss. May I see your ticket?
Of course.
Miss, shall I keep this safe for you?
No need. It's no trouble. Thank you, though.
Okay, then. Have a great time.
I will. I sure will. Let's get some snacks out. Wow, can I have some? Of course she won't share. It looks like nobody is getting any snacks into the theater. Nobody except…
No way.
Hi, mister. Here is my ticket.
Go on ahead, sweetie. And what do we have here? No food, boy. Only tickets. Off you go.
All right, my favorite movie. What? You want some? Ew! That's not all I've got. You don't like it? Well, more for me then. We're gonna watch a movie real soon.
I'm sorry, ma'am. No food allowed.
Mommy just wants to watch a movie with her sweet little angel.
Right this way, ma'am.
Thank you so much. Oh, she has to be joking. Did she bring an actual baby? Wait a second. What's that? Can I have some? And me! I want one. Me. I want one. Me. Give me. Sure. Knock yourselves out.
Do my senses detect food in here? I shall take you out. For my people! All right, that's enough. Give me that. I eat troublemakers like you for breakfast. Haha! Unexpected! What you gonna do about this, huh? I told you! No food allowed! And now, be gone! Hey, who turned off the lights?
Are you ready to rock and roll? 'Cause here we go!
Hey, alright, I didn't know we'd get a live concert here.
While some are having the time of their life, one individual is using this as an open opportunity to sneak in a bundle of snacks. This is so cool! Thanks! All right, rock on! Our plan worked. Grab it, guys! Now that really lit up the stage. Meanwhile...
Oh, wow! Would you look at that?
I'm sorry, sir. Could I maybe pass by?
Of course, miss. Allow me.
Thank you very much. Oh boy, a sight like that can sure make a guard nervous. But that doesn't mean he'll forget his duties.
Hey, no food allowed.
Whoa! This girl sure brought some huge assets to the movie. But is that all there is to it? You want some? Yes, please.
Whoops.
Hello, here is my ticket.
Really, miss? You think I'll fall for this old trick?
Oh, well, they were just gifts anyway. Oh, shoot! Better hide our stuff. Here's my ticket.
Sure. Get them out.
Fine! Here! Happy?
And where do you think you're going? Come on, can't I get just one snack? I don't make the rules. If you don't like something, you can leave.
Oh, wow! Look, it's a bride! She's so beautiful. Now that is super clever. Some of us will do anything to bring at least one pack of gummies inside the movie theater. Chloe is no exception. A plain white t-shirt and a long-haired black wig should do the trick. What trick, you ask? Maybe this will be my ticket. Ticket to the other side.
Huh?
You feel this? Greetings, mortals. Hooray! Congrats, Chloe. Not only is this your ticket to the movie, the security is unable to stop you from sneaking in some snacks, too. Would you look at that? The whole movie theater is all yours now. Who needs that ticket anyway? Hi, mister.
Sorry, girls, but no snacks are allowed. Hey there, Chief. You girls should lay off the snacks. They won't help you gain any muscle. You know what? You and me. Push-up contest. Let's test how strong you actually are. Yeah, no problem, man. Hold this, Chiquitas.
With pleasure.
All right, muscles, don't fail me now.
This is like so hot. I know, right?
Let's go, big boy.
Was he even trying?
Nice try, buddy. Muscles, what? Now get these chips away from my face! What?
I believe you need to check my ticket, sir.
Oh, yes. I'm sure it's fine.
Thank you so much, handsome. Excuse me? This seat is not taken, right?
Holy moly! No, it's… Oh, sweet muffin cake.
Makes you wonder, doesn't it? Can these be real? Simply take a small soda bottle, remove the cap, and put a balloon on top of the bottle. Now, fill it with the tasty drink of your choice. Add a straw and you got yourself some fantastic-looking breasts. And if you're feeling thirsty, just get that straw out and you got yourself a hidden drink. Want a drink?
Yes, ma'am. Whoa, this is so clever. That was delicious.
Oh, yeah.
Pardon me, young man. May I go in?
Of course, madam. Let me just check your bag real quick. You, ma'am, sure love knitting.
Thank you, youngster. Ha-ha, suckers.
Hey!
Look over there. She just… I'm not falling for these old tricks.
Shoo! Let me rest my bones.
Fine.
Ah, there we go.
Wait a second. Did she just eat something? That's so not fair. How did she get it in?
What? You girls want some of this goodness? You gotta pay up. Oh, yeah. No worries. I brought plenty.
Alrighty. Wait, no way! I can't just let him take my snack away. I've got a plan. Hiya! Shirt, a good-looking stash, and shades. Let's not forget my snack. It's time for this security guard to meet his match. You've been working pretty damn well. Go on a break, soldier. I'll take care of security here. Well, empty it all out, girls. Into the bin it goes. Now hop in, Missy. You too. Come on. I don't have all day. Go on, faster. That's it. Now that went better than I thought. I'm so smart. No way. What? Won't be needing these anymore. Are these bushy brows on my face? Why, you… Uh-oh. And just like that, poor Denise got herself kicked out of the movie theater for good.
Remember, no food in the movie theater. I am taking that, thank you. Enjoy the movie, sir.
I hope you won't look under the hat.
No food inside the movie theater. You really thought this would work?
Only a real magic spell will help these fellas sneak food inside. The only question is, are you enough of a magician for this, Chris?
Alrighty, Mr. Magician. Show me what you got here. Bibbidi-bobbidi-boo! My tickets!
Wow.
That's cute. Okay, where's the food? Nothing on me. Weird.
All a true magician needs is a couple of spells, and all the goodies will be at arm's length.
Abracadabra! Hello, sweet soda.
What? It's best to not ask questions. Just enjoy the show, guys.
Candies, anybody? Okay, more for me.
Like a southern belle. Oh. Hi. No food allowed. I've got none. And your bag? What, in here? Just some tools. Huh? Okay then, come in. Who needs tools in the theater? All right, let's get to work.
the…
Haha, cool.
This dude is weird.
We should get new curtains.
Uh-oh. Tina, look! No food allowed. I know just the way to get in.
She's unconscious! Lady, wake up!
I guess that's my chance. All clear. Let's go. Oh, did I faint? Don't worry, I'm good. Really, I'm fine.
Well, looks like I saved the day. That's my eye patch. Oh, hello. No food!
What's that, dear?
No food! Here, I'll check myself. Hey, your nails! Bold color! Oh well. Some yarn. What are those pills?
Ew.
You liar!
Give it back.
What's going on? I think she's hiding food! Uh-huh. Ah, what a great movie! Oh, no way! You're from that movie! Do the move! Oh, no food allowed! Oh, we got none! Well, I gotta make sure. No problem then. Come in, guys! Woohoo! Sure, we've got no food. Oh look, there's Spider Boy. Hey, Spidey, here's some snacks.
Ooh, for me?
Well, that's cool.
By the way,
No food allowed! Dude, it's the security guy! You two, out! Get out! Those superheroes! Hi-ya! Yes? You want to go in? No food allowed! Let me just check real quick. Hey! You can't go in! Give me that! Not so strong, huh? Wait a minute! A bomb? I gotta get out of here! Great job, dude! He really thought we had a bomb! Right? What a fool!
well, hello, you rock star. Such a cutie. You should drop the sign, though. You're cuter without it. Can we come in?
Yes, of course!
Thanks, cutie.
What's that? Candy? Whose is it?
Did you see his face? We totally fooled him. Let's dig in. What a loser. Right?
Ha 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 ha! So hilarious! No food allowed! Stop right there! No food allowed inside! Show me your bag, please! No! Confiscated!
Wow, if that's the case. Hello? They took my candy. Want to talk to him? It's for you.
I'm listening. Uh-huh. I'll get you fired, you loser!
He sure will.
Understood! Sorry!
See?
I apologize, miss! Here's your candy. Here's some more! Come in! And this one's for you.
Oh,
Hello? No food allowed. I'll have to confiscate these. Now you can come in. Enjoy!
Hiya!
Got any food?
Oh, no, I don't.
One moment. Let's check. Hey! Open it!
If you insist. Huh. Bye-bye. Let's see what I have.
Nope, I'm leaving.
Bye.
Where did he go? Oh!
See ya. Hi there.
No food allowed.
Oh, we have none. We don't eat candy. We're sporty.
Is that so? I know. Do some squats. No problem, my man. Still not convincing. Task 2. Lift this. Sure thing. Still not it. Here, task 3. Do jumping jacks. Come on. All right. You were hiding snacks? You out!
Wait, listen. That was his food. Can I come in?
Okay, you come in. You out! And don't ever come back! I'm a fencer!
Hello.
No food allowed!
Oh, no worries.
Let's check.
Okay.
Aha! Give it up!
Oh,
Thought you'd fool me, huh? No, I'm smart!
excuse me.
Oh, come in!
Hey, check her purse.
Hey, off you go!
Good evening.
Come in, ma'am! Oof.
Well, I've got something too. Chocolate time. Want some? Where did our doctor head off to? Wait a second. Doctor? Sir?
Uh-oh! Someone just got caught red-handed!
Should have been more careful, eh, Doc? And look at all of those confiscated snacks.
Want some?
Do I? You don't even have to ask. So that's where all the confiscated snacks go. Even doctors get tired from time to time. A perfect opportunity to sneak in some sweets, right? Excuse me, doctor. Can I come through?
Oh, of course! You don't have any snacks on you, do ya?
Nope. Just these drips. Nothing else.
That's a lot of drips.
And she's in. But wait. She doesn't have any candy with her. Or does she? Of course, that's not medicine. That's Fanta disguised as a drip. Ah, that's the life. One of the most important tasks for a doctor is to make sure that no candy is brought in by patients.
You know the rules, boys. Throw all of them out here.
Oh, come on!
No! No! Mine! That boy again! I'm not gonna run a marathon again to catch him. Will he ever start listening? But Chris is not about to give up. A clever disguise indeed. Oh, why hello there. I see you are doing better. Give me a high five. Darn it, I messed up. You thought you could fool me, boy? Come here. All of the hidden candy is falling out. Chris really ought to learn his lesson. After all, doctors know what's best for us. Hold on a moment. I hope you are not bringing any snacks. Who? Me? No! I would never, Doctor! That was close. But what now? The nurse will surely notice that bag of McDonald's. Genius! Allow me! Why, thank you! Score! How are we feeling today? Oh no! The nurse is about to open the lid! No! Allow me! Oh, Haley is so lucky to have such a gentleman like you! Thank you! Don't worry, Haley. Chris brought you a little surprise. A bag full of burgers. Isn't that so much better than the yucky hospital food? It's always important to make sure that the patients eat only healthy food in the hospital. You are not bringing any candy with you, I hope. Me? Of course not. Meanwhile, Haley is not very happy with her lunch today and is trying to reach out for some help. Please, bring me sweets. My girl is waiting for me. On it. But how will he sneak candy past the doctor? Hey, where are you? Never mind. Ooh la la! Am I getting a fever, or is it really hot in here? Why, hello there, doctor! I hope you are not… I mean… Holy smokes! I heard someone needs to take their medicine! It's me, Haley! Chris! OMG, you're crazy! And here is your medicine! Not the kind of medicine you'd expect, but Haley is not about to complain. The dentist is taking forever! A few snacks can't hurt while I wait, right? Miss, no snacks are allowed before the appointment. Get rid of it this instant. Whoops! Better hide! Sophie, she just can't resist, can she? Watch out! The doctor is coming! You are not eating any snacks, are you, Missy? Of course not! Oh, my belly hurts! Nurse, we've got a pregnant girl over here! How did I not notice that? Not what you expected, huh, girl? Yep. Oh, the embarrassment! What's this? You thought you could fool us with this old trick? I hope you learned your lesson. Get out! Oof! Would you look at that? The nurse is fast asleep. There is no better time for some mischief. All clear. Careful. Where are you going, Missy? Some of my friends came to visit me. Just don't think of bringing any candy back with you. All right indeed. For what the nurse doesn't know is that this girl's got an amazing idea. Wait a moment, Tina. I just got back from the surgery. That looks awfully painful. Yeah, it hurts. Okay, go and rest, dearie. Thank you, nurse. Whew, that was a close one. Mission complete. Now Tina can safely enjoy all of those candies by herself. Yum! How much I love chocolate. Where are you you going with all those snacks?
It's just a few snacks.
Rules are rules. Dump them all here. That pesky nurse. There has to be a way to bring at least one snack. Wait. Why one when you can bring a skeleton? All that's left is to give that nurse a drop-dead experience. What happened? Oh my! Serves her right. Come on, Dr. Skellington. Let's go check on our patient.
Sophie, it's time for your checkup!
Hey, it's me! You should have seen your face! Oh, hi, Chris!
I brought you a gift. Take a look.
Aw, Chris, such a good friend. You know what they say, not all heroes wear capes.
Oh, I know. Jennifer, it was hilarious.
Shoot! How am I gonna get past her? Oh, I know! I'll just put it in my phone case. She won't suspect a thing. Ha! Aren't I clever? Tell me more! Stop right there, Missy. I hope you know well that candy is not allowed in the hospital. No, it's just some nurse. Yeah, I know, right? Oh my! Becca here sure is one clever girl. It's time to enjoy the chocolate. Low battery? Do you have a spare phone charger? Nope, no chargers here. Hold on. I know what you're hiding there, girl. You know well that no candy is allowed. I'm gonna report this to your doctor. Poor Becca won't be allowed to enjoy a treat after all. However, someone else couldn't help but eat the chocolate herself. Isn't it great when friends come over to visit you in the hospital? Help! Especially if those friends bring snacks. Don't worry, girl. 2 heroes are here to the rescue.
Oh, I see. No candy allowed, boys. It's just a few chocolates. Give it to me, mister.
This is not over. We will be back.
Are you thinking what I'm thinking? Or are you thinking what I'm thinking? No, man. Doctors don't wear ball caps. All right. Throw me the snacks.
Now that's what I call going an extra mile. It almost looks like a real patient. All that's left are face masks, and the boys are ready to roll.
We've got a patient here assigned to this room. She is really sick. Yeah, let us through. Okay, just a moment.
You can't fool an X-ray. Too bad. It might have been a clever idea.
Run!
But this doctor is taking his job very seriously.
Yep, I knew it. Chips. Not bad.
I guess Tina will just have to wait.
And 1 jelly candy. And 2 jelly candies. And 3…
I don't think that the trainer agrees on this workout method. I mean, he's still doing the push-ups.
Hey, hang on. Is that… You're in big trouble, pal.
It seems the candy was the source of Chris's willpower. Thus, he's got no more to continue lifting.
Ha! Not so tough now, huh? No food in my gym. You'll have to find another way to get more muscles, buddy.
No one's looking. Perfect time for a sugar dose. Sweet, tasty bubblegum. Olivia's favorite. And you know what's best about bubblegum? Yes. Bubbles! This should be big enough. Big enough for it to be used as an exercise ball.
Oh, you brought your own ball? Good job working with that.
And no one suspects a thing. Now we got everyone's attention. This gum bubble isn't as durable as an exercise ball. I'm just gonna take a real one. Chris just got back from training, hungry like a bear. Good thing he's got something to fill his belly with. You're not going to put magnesium tablets between the buns, right? A sausage? Genius! Shampoo? He actually put ketchup instead of shampoo inside the bottle.
Perfect. This is gonna be so…
Uh-oh. The trainer can smell tricks like that from miles away.
The dressing room is my territory, and I don't allow junk food in my gym. Oh, that has a lot of calories. 50 push-ups, now!
You know, training other people makes one really hungry too.
Going to the gym? Just don't forget, no food allowed.
Does it look like I've got anything on me?
Ooh, what a six-pack you got there. You haven't skipped a single ab day, have you?
See ya!
Darn, wish I had a six-pack like that.
Not everything's a six-pack that looks like one. Am I right? Those chocolate bars sure make the right impression, though. And the actual workout gets a lot easier. Chocolate? How did you? Good thing there's enough for everyone. Now we can work out. Olivia decided to bring her skateboard into the gym, but I think there's a trick behind it.
Oh, that's a cool skateboard you got there. You know, when I was a teen, I was really good at skateboarding. Could do a lot of cool tricks back then. Hey, can I do a quick jump trick? For old time's sake.
Sure.
Just one good old ollie.
Oh no! Olivia hid candy under the skateboard and the trainer was not supposed to see this!
The skateboard stays with me. You go work out.
Got it, sir. Olivia didn't think the trainer would try to use her skateboard. Nor does she think that he just wanted that candy for himself.
Ah, these sure bring back memories.
Haley's tired of all the working out and not eating in the gym. She's got only one thing on her mind. Huh? Is that… Oh, water? Must be an optical illusion. Is she eating chocolate? I thought sweets weren't allowed in the gym. Oh, she's eating a banana. Get a grip on yourself, Haley. Seeing things isn't cool. Mamma mia! That trainer looks so tasty! Sweet heavens, here I come!
Miss? What are you doing?
And this is why snacks should be allowed in gym. It's been several miles, and Chris could really use a quick snack for a journey like this. He doesn't even bother to stop.
Hey, what you eating, pal? No food in my gym! Aw, what a bummer! It's a place to burn calories, not to gain them! What are you standing here for? Those miles aren't gonna run themselves.
That was really harsh. But hey, look at this! There's candy on the treadmill.
Ooh, boy!
Are you thinking what I'm thinking?
Oh, I see where this is going.
3, 2, 1, go!
It seems the trainer has accidentally made eating candy even more fun. Well, that's one way to run the miles. You've reached the finish line, Chris. Is using a fishing rod and a donut to make Chris do those annoying squats. I'd say it's pretty effective. But you gotta watch out for the angry trainer.
Dude, he's coming! Donut!
Close call. Almost.
Since when do people use fishing rods for a workout? Nah, that guy's just stretching his neck. Oh, wait! Why does he need a fishing rod for that? Hey, buddy. How is the catching? I don't suppose there are any fish in my gym. But it sure is a heavy catch.
What a catch indeed! The trainer never thought he could catch culprits with a rod.
That's not a fish.
Oh, you better run for your life, Chris.
No!
That's gonna leave a mark. As long as you keep your candy stash neatly hidden, no trainer is stopping you from sneaking snacks into the gym. Ain't that right, Becca?
Hey, miss, remember, no snacks inside the gym. Let me check that pocket. Ooh, that's candy, miss. I'ma take that.
Sweet! The decoy worked! Becca shall start with the cycling session. Which makes her hungry fast. Just enough for an energy boost. Oh no. It seems the candy is melting and dripping right onto Becca's face! That will not go unnoticed. Hey!
Oh, what the? Oh, I'm out of here.
Rude! They will never get the art of sneaking. Hide candy? Turn it into a clothing design. Surely no one would suspect a thing. But in the gym, there are a lot of keen, hungry eyes that are hard to hide from. Is that sweet, puffy marshmallow?
Where are you going?
As if Sophie had a marshmallow radar on her, the disguise seems to have no effect on her. What speed! Haley surely wasn't expecting that kind of attention.
Hey!
Stop it! You'll give us away!
Hey, are those marshmallows?
Good job, Sophie.
You came here to work out, not to eat. Back to training. You got a lot of calories to burn now, miss.
No, I don't. I suppose some of us aren't suited for workouts.
Darn, I don't get paid enough for this.
The girls are taking a lunch break in the gym. Sweets and junk food are forbidden. But not broccoli.
You gotta eat healthy when you're working out in my gym. And you two are acing it.
Why is this not candy? Hey girl, look! Imagine that you're in Candyland, surrounded by everything that's not broccoli. Looks crazy, doesn't it? All right, Candyland, here I come! It worked! Yay! One after another, the broccoli is being devoured as if it were candy. Oh, glorious candy! I want to stay forever! Both lunchboxes became empty in no time. I can't believe it! It worked!
My oh my, good job!
I can already feel my muscle building up. Same!
Hey, look what I can do!
Let me try! While the kids are enjoying their candy, Dad is coming for a regular candy inspection. How are they gonna hide their M&Ms? A vitamin bottle? Great! A perfect hiding spot from a health inspector.
Hello, kiddos! How are we doing?
I've been doing gymnastics.
Good job! Approved! And you? I've been taking vitamins! I don't take vitamins! Mother Earth gives you all the vitamins you need! Like our friend Broccoli!
That was close! Hey kids! Don't forget to take your vitamins! As always, the kids are back from school with their hands full of candies.
Dad's coming!
Careful there! Dad might not be too happy about this.
I know. Quick, let's put some double-sided tape on our snacks. This will sure get us out of this sticky situation.
Hello, kids! I hope you remember the rules. No candy in this household. What you got there?
Nothing, Daddy. I just want to hug you.
Aww, that's so sweet! Me too!
Oh, these clever kids! Sticking candy on Dad's back. And he has absolutely no clue!
I have the best kids in the world.
Lunch is ready, and it looks like today we are having some healthy soup. Yum! The kids, however, don't seem too happy.
Come on, kids. We love our greens, don't we?
That does not look like the face of someone who loves broccoli.
And how about some fresh, healthy vegan bread with your soup? I'll pass.
Yeah, the soup should be enough.
Suit yourselves. More for me.
Hey! He said vegan! Oh, that sneaky dad!
What is it, buddy? I know. Hey, Alice, look.
That is so clever. I'm sure the doggy will love it.
Eat up, buddy! At least the doggy seems to like healthy food.
How was it, kids? Oh, I'm full.
Thank you, Dad.
Would you like some more? No.
We're full, Dad.
Like father, like kids, am I right? And these two sure are a clever duo. The kids came home bearing candy. But oh no! How will they get past their dad?
I know. Hold these for a bit.
What are you gonna do?
Hey, Dad! Don't step on my mat! Did you bring any candy? No candy! Pockets! Nothing here! See? Then off you go!
But Brandon is not gonna leave his sister behind. He has a plan to sneak in those candies on wheels. Now, his sister only has to drop them all off on the plate and turn the remote car around. Perfect plan!
Hey, Daddy.
Hey, kiddo! Got any candy?
Of course not.
Good girl.
It seems that Brandon's plan was a huge success. Now, both kids can enjoy their sweet snacks without making their dad angry. Every healthy family must do their daily yoga routine. However, Alice here can't help but get a snack. Isn't that clever? Even Brandon is amazed.
What is the sugary smell? Must be my imagination. No, my nose can't be tricked. What you got there, girl? Give me the sign.
Poor Alice! It seems that her plan didn't work out after all. And off into the bin these donuts go. Meanwhile, Brandon prefers a healthy drink. Carrot juice. And that is approved by our health inspector. But that bottle seems suspicious, doesn't it? Must be because it's actually orange Fanta.
That's so clever.
Have a healthy drink, sis.
Hey, Kaboomers! Wasn't that a lot of fun? What do you think about our video? If you liked our video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Kaboom for more amazing stories like these. Stay tuned and see you soon!